Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Ardana. I am from class 12 IPS 2. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Peace be upon you and Allah's mercy and the blessing. Good night. Greeting to all of you at the end of 2019. To be present in December. The world was shocked by an incident that was suspected of being of pneumonia. Case was etiology. Etiology was unknown. The case originating from the city of Wuhan, China. China ended with pneumonia on January 7, 2020 as a new type of coronavirus. The statement urgent notice on the treatment of pneumonia of unknown cause has been issued by the Wuhan Municipal Health Community Hunatobun 2020. The virus can spread to humans and animals, which usually attacks the respiratory tract in humans with early flu symptoms that can cause severe acute respiratory syndrome. Expect this tissue through respiratory droplets from coughing or sneezing. The spread and increase in the number of COVID-19 cases occur very quickly and have spread between countries including Indonesia. Currently 202 countries including Indonesia are facing two challenges that had never been imagined before. The COVID-19 pandemic not only brings public health problems but also carries very broad economic and social implications. The community had to make many changes to their respective activity and behavior in responding that this pandemic situation. The impact of COVID-19 on personal behavior, community behavior, and concerns that arise in the community during the pandemic. In addition, households will experience pressure both in the of income and expenditure. The impact on the economy during the COVID-19 pandemic in the including are that was a massive layoff. The result of the data of Biner Air 1.5 million were at home and affected by layoff were 19% of home workers and workers who were laid off were 10%. B. There was a decrease in the PMI manufacturing to reach 45.0%. March 2020. C. There was a decline in import of 3.7% in the first quarter. The inflation has reached 2.1960% on year, which has been contributed from the freeze gold and pound commodity in March 2020. The occurrence of flight cancellation, which result in decreased revenue in the sector. The disadvantage airfall to reach Rp rupiah 207 billion. The flight cancellation were 12,703 at 50 airports the month January March 2020. If at 66,000 hotels, 3 has been a decrease in occupancy by up to 50%. It can resulting in loss of tourist paying essay. On the social front, pandemic have led to an increase in crime and domestic violence. The community also experienced social disorganization and dysfunction due to restrict activities outside the home. The government has taken strategic steps to overcome problems in the health, economy, and social sector of the community. In the health sector, the government is carrying out reform of the national health system, social protection, disaster, food, and others. The response to the pandemic outbreak. As citizens, we must comply with the regulations set by the government in dealing with the COVID-19 pandemic, namely by maintaining health, wearing masks, and maintaining distance. That is the I can deliver on this occasion. More or less, I apologize. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.